Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a book cover in Canva, so let's get started. Let's choose color first. Search for plain. Find a perfect kids type of plain. Basically, this is a kids book cover. I can't find a perfect plain, let's try this one. And now we are going to search for clouds. A cartoon type clouds. Adjust it in different places in a different size. Now we want a green any type of land or park. You can choose whatever you like, but I want a green park type of land, so let's find it. I don't like this land, let's find another. What about this one? I think it's pretty much good. Add some elements like rocks and trees or flowers. Copy-paste it and change the size, put it in the front. Do the same thing in the left side. Change the position and put rock in the front. Add flowers. Add more flowers. Add more trees in the back. Add grasses. And now it's time for kids. Let's take this one. I forgot to add sun, so let's add now and put it in the back. Add more kids. This to our best friends. Now I want alphabets or numbers. Let's take this one and find more like this. And now I want numbers. Let's find numbers same as alphabets. I can't find it, so let's make our own. Oh, here I find it, so let's use it. Let's rotate them. Now it looks much better. Let's try to add some toys. Search for a boy who is playing with a ball. Okay, let's use this boy. Adjust them all once again. Let's take a screenshot for mock-ups. Let's add another page where we can use our mock-ups. Search for book mock-ups and choose whatever you like. This is not looking good. Let's try to fit it. Rearrange the alphabets and numbers. And again, take a screenshot and give another try. Okay, there we go. Choose the color. It's time for background. So let's search for table. Let's add some elements like books or something. Okay, there we go. It's complete. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.